In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Tonkeeper to NotCoin account. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Telegram on your device. Since NotCoin is an application on Telegram, open NotCoin on Telegram. And here, go ahead and click on the Open App button, which you'll find at the bottom left of your screen. Now, this will redirect you to the NotCoin application. And here, you'll be able to find the homepage of NotCoin. At the top of it, you'll find Connect Wallet button. So, click on the Connect Wallet option to be able to connect your wallet to your NotCoin account. Now in here, go ahead and click on Tonkeeper as an option for connecting your NotCoin wallet to. And this will redirect you to the Tonkeeper app where your account is signed in. So on the Tonkeeper app, you'll need to authorize the connection between your NotCoin account and your Tonkeeper. So in here, go ahead and click on the Connect Wallet and confirm the connection by entering your passcode on Tonkeeper. Now once this is done, this will redirect you to the NotCoin application, and that's how you can simply connect your NotCoin to Tonkeeper. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.